Welcome to our Generative AI series. Today, we are diving into the engine room of modern artificial intelligence, deep learning. We will explore the fundamental building blocks that make technologies like ChatGPT and Midjourney possible. First, let's place deep learning on the map. It is not a separate field, but a specialized subset of machine learning, which itself sits under the broad umbrella of artificial intelligence. While traditional AI might follow strict rules, deep learning takes inspiration from the human brain to learn from vast amounts of data. The core unit is the artificial neuron, often called a perceptron. It receives inputs, assigns them importance via weights, adds them up, and uses an activation function to decide if the signal is strong enough to pass forward. It is a mathematical imitation of how our own brain cells fire. When we connect these neurons, we get a neural network. It consists of an input layer that receives data, one or more hidden layers that process it, and an output layer that delivers the result. Information flows from left to right, becoming more abstract at each step. But how does it actually learn? It's a three-step loop. First, a forward pass makes a guess. Second, a loss function calculates how wrong that guess was. Third, a process called backpropagation sends that error signal backward to adjust the weights, reducing the error for next time. So why do we call it deep learning? It refers to the depth of the network, the number of hidden layers. This depth is crucial because it allows the model to build a hierarchy of features, starting from simple edges and curves, building up to complex shapes, and finally recognizing entire objects. Different problems need different structures. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, scan images like a grid, making them perfect for vision. Transformers, on the other hand, use attention to understand relationships in sequences, powering the language models we use today. This brings us to the generative AI revolution. Traditional discriminative AI draws lines to classify data, like telling a cat from a dog. Generative AI goes a step further. It learns the distribution of the data itself, allowing it to create entirely new examples that have never existed before. The impact is everywhere. In healthcare, it discovers new drugs. In coding, it acts as an intelligent assistant. And in the creative arts, it is enabling a new era of content generation for images, music, and video. To wrap up, deep learning mimics neural structures to solve complex problems. By stacking layers deep, these networks learn hierarchical features. And through architectures like transformers, they have evolved from simply classifying data to generating the future of AI content.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.